how to block someone in Telegram X. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can block someone in Telegram X. The first step is to launch Telegram X application on your device. Then once you've done that, navigate to the chat or to the group where you want to block the user. Alright, so just navigate to the chat and I will be selecting a chat right away. So once you selected the chat, the next thing to do is to open up the chat of the person that you'd like to block. Then once you've done that, move to the top part of the screen and click on the user profile. So after clicking on the user profile, at the top part of the screen, the top right side to be precise, you can see two icons, the call icon, and then you can see three vertical dots. So as you can see that, just click on the dots. Now after clicking on the dots, you can see some options displayed such as start secret chat, share contacts, block, privacy exceptions, rename contacts, delete contacts. So you can just go ahead and click on block, and then you can see a pop-up at the lowest part of the screen which says, are you sure you want to block the person? Click on block if yes, and then if no, click on cancel, and then just like that the person will be blocked. So that is how you can block someone on Telegram X. It's so simple, so ensure you block all those that you desire today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.